It's been the quietest year in real estate in North Georgia in the last at least 10 years, even longer than that potentially. When the dust settles, though, and we look towards 2024, we're starting to finally see signs that the market may finally gain some traction. We might dig ourselves out of this rut for the new year. What has changed? What's happening? Let's break it all down. This is Steve with the Malone Home Team EXP in the Atlanta area. So this is the fastest 3 minutes in Atlanta real estate. So let's just skip the formalities. Let's rock and roll. Talk about it. What's happened this year? Interest rates have really dominated the discussion. Okay, interest rates have been holding in the 7% to low 8s. We actually got in the low 8% range in the middle of October. Right. The good news is since the middle of October, we've got a lot of financial news that has shown that the economy is slowing. That's allowed the interest rates to fall. The mortgage rates have fallen all the way down close to 7%. They've fallen about 12% in the last month and a half. It's a big drop. They're going to continue to fall into the upper sixes, probably into the low sixes by the end of next year. So what does that mean? Well, that's the one good news. Interest rates have dropped. And what that's led to is number two, the fact that 6 out of the last 7 weeks, new mortgage applications nationwide have gone up. It's typically the quietest time of year as far as buying houses goes, and the number of people that are looking for new mortgages typically goes down. It's gone up 6 of the last 7 weeks. There's a lot of buyers on the sidelines. They're ready to rock and roll. We've been telling our people all the time, if you're looking to buy, this is the time before the buyers come back. Buyers going to be back after New Year's, and then the seller's going to come back. And I really think that as the rates continue to fall through the sixes, we're going to see more and more buyers come in. Okay, so what does that mean as far as the number of homes that are on the market? Well, right now, the number of homes on the market, we're looking at 2.6 months of inventory in the metro Atlanta area. Higher than it's been since before the pandemic, but it's holding flat right now, and I think this is probably the highest it's going to go. It's going to continue to soften down as more buyers come back in. What that means is it's still a seller's market, not a super crazy, bananas crazy seller's market like we saw during the pandemic, still a seller's market. Okay, so buyers, you can get some wiggle room in an offer right now, but again, it's a seller's market. That's going to change as we get into spring. As more and more buyers come back in, the sellers are slower to come back. You're not going to be able to get as much for your property. So it's something they're going to be working on. The important thing to know, though, time is starting to tick. Time is now to make a move because as we head into next year, the rates are going down. That's great news, but it's going to bring a lot of buyers back, a lot of competition back. So if you want to make any kind of move, really the best deal you're going to get is before the competition rolls back in. So we can break it down for you. Give us a call. We can help you out. Wanted to give you that 3-minute update. What's going on in the market? We out in 3 minutes. Have a good day.